Good morning, what is going on? Made myself I had some eggs left over, some beans and cheese and some bread left, so little eggy bean breakfast. No one else is here. As I said, the hostel's very dead. There are 2 more people in my room today. But yeah. New day, I'm going to Bronze tonight. Yep, I've got to eat breakfast and sort out my stuff, then get out by 10. But I'll probably chill in the hostel, I just can't be in my room, so yeah. All packed up. It's considerably bigger than when I got here, I swear. So I think I need to pack it a bit better. But done. So yeah, I've been editing this vlog for 2 hours now because these GoPro clips take forever to render. So it's just taking ages to view and see what's in the clips. But it's going to be worth it. Finished editing the vlog. Technically I've got another one to do on Monday, but it's not a very interesting vlog, so I'm not sure if I'll do it. I'm going to walk down to Sea Point and find somewhere to eat. Then I'll walk back and see what the time is. Ron's going to pick me up about 4:30-ish. So just chill, have a little wander. It's quite cold today, not gonna lie. The wind is, it's a cold wind, so yeah. I came to Nando's. Yeah, boy. I've walked past this Nando's every day and it's actually really cheap. So yeah. Went for a pulled chicken pit wrap with cheese and peri salted chips and a Coke. Yeah. Oh, I should have got. Oh, they've got a different flavour here. I should have got that. Mozam paprika, that sounds great. That cost me £5. £5. In the UK, that would cost like 12 quid for the same meal. It was very good. They don't do that exact meal in the UK. And I should have got that special spice that they don't do back home either, but oh well. Maybe I'll get Nando's again next weekend. Now I'm just going to have a little walk, and then I'll walk back through the park, and then I'll go back to the hostel.
Where our eyes are never closing, hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me.
Okay, we're back on the big camera for the first time in a few days. Got to Bronze, all good. Lovely house, got a little swimming pool. Got one of the bedrooms. We're about to go to a market for dinner. Live music, etc. Cool.
Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16. Next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well that's okay, baby. Only words.
Ow! You got me! Got to end yesterday's vlog. I'm just editing it now, and there's no end clip, so hope you enjoyed the vlog. And as always, travel discover explore.
Me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone, wait for me to come home.